In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy trade with TradeWiz. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to, of course, activate your TradeWiz bot. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and you want to click on my link to actually come to the official bot over here on Telegram. Of course, you could search for it as well, but there's going to be a bunch of different ones, and if you actually do not want to get scammed and you actually want to find the official one, the link down below will take you right here to that official bot. Now, first you then have to start your bot, and then you can start copy trading. So to actually copy trade, go ahead and once you're inside the chat with your TradeWiz bot, hover over this icon over here and click on copy trade. Now, the first thing you're going to then have to do, you're going to have to basically add in a wallet you would like to copy trade. So for example, you want to click on add over here. And then first you want to give it a tag up top. So click on tag. Of course, there's going to be a bunch of the setup guides up here up top, so you can read all about this if you want to. And then click on tag. And then just give it a tag. This one is going to be a test one just for this video. You want to hit enter. There we go. It's going to get added in. And then you want to put in the target wallet. So this is going to be the target wallet you are trying to actually copy trade. You want to put in the wallet address. I'm just going to put in one of my addresses. And then you want to hit enter again. There we go, and then this is going to get added over here, and then you can set if you want the turbo mode, what percentage of buys you want, etc. So there's going to be a bunch of different settings over here, so most of them are pretty self-explanatory. If they're not, you can just go ahead up here and see what they are. It says basically every bit of information you could possibly need to execute your copy trades, and then once you are happy with that, just go ahead and click on create. And it's going to get created, and whenever you actually go to the copy trade section over here, you'll be able to see, there we go, under your copy trades, you now have your wallet which is currently copy trading. And then what you can do is you can basically, all copy trades make it sell only. You can add a new one, you can pause them all, you can exclude tokens, etc. So as I said, it's pretty self-explanatory, so that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.